Hello dear students, and welcome to this video which is on writing. By the end of this video, you will be able to make up a plan for your writing and write a 5-paragraph composition on the best places to visit in Qatar. Here's a question that you may find a similar one to in the exam. Write an essay of up to 15 sentences in 3 or more connected paragraphs about the best places to visit in Qatar. Remember to write where these places are, when the best time to visit them is, how they look like, and why you like them. These phrases may help you. Qatar is famous for, this place is located, the best time to visit it is, it is a wonderful place because. And before we move to another part, I want you to have a look at this word more. 3 or more paragraphs. You can write more than 3 paragraphs if you like. And that's what I'm going to do, inshallah. These phrases may help you, so you may use them, you may not. It's up to you. Think of the first objective. Make up a plan for your writing. Now let's make up a plan for our writing. This essay should consist of 5 paragraphs. The introduction, I will write 1 paragraph in it. The body, 3 paragraphs. And finally the conclusion, 1 paragraph. Remember, it's better to include a topic sentence in the introduction paragraph. And what is a topic sentence? It's a sentence that gives the reader an idea about the whole essay. So the whole essay is about the best places to visit in Qatar. The second objective, which is write a 5-paragraph composition on the best places to visit in Qatar. To write sentences, you should think of ideas first. So it's better to use the brainstorming strategy. For example, in the first paragraph, I will write about topic sentence, number of places, best time to visit Qatar. In the body, Aqua Park, Aspire Zone, the Doha Corniche. Remember, we have to write where these places are, when the best time to visit them is, how they look like, and why you like them. Finally, the conclusion. Now let's start with the introduction. Qatar is a wonderful country. There are many places to visit there. I love visiting Qatar in winter when its weather is warm. The body. In the morning, you can visit Aqua Park. It lies in the Abu Nakhla area, Doha. You will love it because it's full of water activities that we all enjoy. In the afternoon, you can take your children to Aspire Zone, which is the biggest park in Qatar. It is located behind the Villaggio and Hayat Plaza malls. You can let your children play, walk, or shop for hours, and they will not get bored. The evening is the best time to have a walk on the Doha Corniche. It is of a horseshoe shape and runs 7 kilometers along the Doha Bay. You can also end your day with a cruise in a small boat in the Gulf water. And finally, the conclusion. As you know, Qatar is not a big country, so you will not waste a lot of time moving among its cities. You can also do many more activities in Qatar, such as going on the desert safaris or relaxing at the many beaches and pools. And here is your final product. 5 paragraphs. Here's another writing task to do on your own. Write an essay of up to 15 sentences in 3 or more connected paragraphs about your school. Remember to write where your school is, how you go there, how your teachers are like, whether you like them or not, and why. These phrases may help you. My school is, it is located in, I go there by, my teachers are. First, plan for your writing, as we did before. This essay should consist of 4 paragraphs, not like the first one. I have decided to write 4 paragraphs in this essay. Introduction, 1 paragraph, body, 2 paragraphs, and finally conclusion, 1 paragraph. Again, it's better to include a topic sentence in the first paragraph or in the introduction paragraph. To write sentences, you should think of ideas first. So brainstorming is one of the easiest ways to get ideas. For the introduction, we will write 1 paragraph. The school name, its location, my feelings. You can write my school is Doha Independent Prep School, Osama bin Zaid Independent Prep School for boys, and so on. Its location, you could say it is located in Doha, it is located in Abu Nakhla, it lies in Abu Nakhla, it is in Abu Nakhla, so all these ways are correct. My feelings, I could say I love my school very much, I like my school, I don't like my school, I hate my school. Write about your real feelings. For the body, I will write 2 paragraphs. The first paragraph will be about how I go there, describing it. You could say I go to school by bus, I go to school by car, I go to school on foot because it's near my home. And you could describe your school like that. My school is very big, it consists of 3 buildings. There is a playground, a big garden, and a sports hall, for example. Then what I do there in the second paragraph. For example, I study in my classes, I do science experiments in the science laboratory, I play sports in the sports hall, and I run in the garden or the playground. Finally, the conclusion, 1 paragraph. My teachers, my feelings, why I like them, best school. My teachers, you could say there are 70 teachers, there are many teachers in my school. My feelings towards them, of course. I like my teachers very much, I like my teachers, I don't like my teachers, I hate my teachers. It's up to you, write about your real feelings. Why I like them or why you don't like them. I like them because they are helpful, because they are good teachers, because they teach me very well, because so and so. Or I don't like them because they are strict, they are not nice, they are not kind, they are not helpful. For example, describe your teachers. And finally, say conclusion or a final sentence about your school. Maybe you would say, my school is the best school in Qatar, or it's not, it's one of the best schools in Qatar, or I like my school very much, and so on. Thank you very much for your listening, and good luck.